Hi, today I wanted to show you how to change where the tab key takes the mouse to on your document. Okay, because normally when you press tab, it's going to move over a half inch and then another tab a half inch. And each time you hit tab, it's going to move a half an inch at a time. But to save us time and to make this a lot cleaner, what we want to do today is remove all the tab stop positions, and we want to set a tab that when we type our menu item and hit tab, we want the mouse to jump clear over here to the right edge of the margin. And then we can type in our dollar amounts, and the dots will come in automatically if we tell it to do that when we change the tab stop. Okay, so I'm going to take this off our screen for a minute and let's look at this new document that's going to be a restaurant menu. Now, before I get to changing the tabs, how to do that, I just want to show you that here, if you have big letters like you're going to for your restaurant name, I think the instructions say 24, but if it doesn't look big enough, change it to 36. Okay, notice how big this mouse pointer is, how tall it is. So if I hit enter, it's going to go down a lot further than if I was on a smaller font. So if I don't want the enter key to take me down that far, I don't want to go as far. What I need to do is while I'm at the end of this line, just go back and change my font to 11 and then hit enter. Okay, now you can see that the mouse pointer is much shorter, and when you enter, you can get closer to this instead of it going down so far. All right, so let's hit left align to get our mouse pointer back to the left edge. And then let me show you how to do the tabs. Because right now, as I was saying, when you hit tab, it's taking you a half an inch to the right each time. But we want to change that. So in the home tab, find your paragraph group and then come down here. This is the little diagonal arrow, also known as the dialog box launcher. So we're going to click on that. It's going to launch this dialog box. It's going to open this up. And then we're looking down at the bottom left corner to find the tabs button. We'll click there. And then the first thing we need to do that's super important is that you clear all. If you don't clear all and you set a new tab at 6.5, it's still going to have the tab, 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 tabs, and then finally a 6.5. So clear all the old ones. And it says right here, tab stops to be cleared, all. Now we don't do anything with this, leave that at 0.5. But tab stop position means at what inch mark or fraction of an inch do you want the tab key to take you to? Well, on the restaurant menu, the instructions say 6.5 inches. Okay, and that's counting from this is the 0 point where the typing starts, where the margin ends and the typing starts. 6.5 would be right there to where the typing space, the area for typing ends and the right margin begins. Okay, so type in 6.5, and then our instructions tell us to have it right align so that the words are lined up at the right edge of the tab. A lot of times we use left, but not on this restaurant menu. Right align, and then leaders. The default says none. That means it won't put any dots, dashes, or underscores leading into the tab position, but we definitely want number 2. We want dot leaders. Now, we need to hit set, and we need to see that that went down into this box. Okay, and then we're ready to click OK. All right, now if we were to type hamburger and hit tab, there we go. It'll take us all the way to this right edge. And maybe that's going to be 3.99. Then when we hit enter, we can type a new thing. And maybe we're going to have a hot dog. Hit tab, and that's going to be that should be cheaper than a hamburger. So maybe that's going to be 2.99. Enter. Okay, so that is how you change where your tab key takes you.